Hello lovelies, this is the spider stitch. I know it looks complicated, but it really isn't. You've got this. You're going to need a circle and you're going to need to divide it up into 8 wedges, pieces of pie, whatever, but you need 8 of them. I'm going to use 2 colours here because it'll be easier to demonstrate this stitch. I know we were talking about pie just now, but now I'm going to talk to you as if this is a wheel and these are the spokes. So we're going to do straight stitch lines from the centre to the outside or the outside to the centre, whichever you prefer. It's going to look like a bicycle wheel. Now going to change to the lighter thread and we're going to bring our needle up through the fabric between 2 of the spokes. It doesn't matter where you do this, but it has to be between 2 of the spokes and near to the centre. We're going to slide our needle underneath the spoke that is above where we came up through the fabric. And we're going to use the eye of the needle because it's nice and blunt and it won't catch on anything, but do not push it through with your finger. Needles are sharp and pointy and they will hurt you. So we've gone under that stitch and we're going to go under it again. From below to above, we're going under it. And we're going to do this once. And now we're going to go up under the spoke above it. Okay, so we're going to go under once. And now we're going to go under it again. But the next time, we're going to go under 2 spokes at once. So the one we've just gone under, and we're going to go under the next one as well. So pull your needle through, and then we are going to take our needle underneath that 1 spoke. We're going to do that once. You can push it down slightly with your needle to get it neat, and then we're going to go under it again and we're going to go under the one next to it. So you're always going to do 1 and then 2 spokes. So we've just gone under the 2 spokes. Now we're going to go under this one once and then we're going to go under it again and under the next one. Couple of things to remember. You're always working from right to left and you're going underneath the spokes. You go under 1 spoke and then you go under 2 spokes. 1 spoke, 2 spokes. When you want to finish your stitch off, you're going to go under once and then take your needle down through the fabric underneath, sort of hiding it underneath that spoke. There you go, go back under, so you've covered it. And now you're going, I'm sorry it's gone a bit blurry there, it was a little bit tricky to get that to not blur. So you just take it down through the fabric. The normal one in the large lilac, and then you just saw me do that one. But you could also use lazy daisy stitches for the spokes, just like I did with this one. Happy stitching.